Hey friends, if you wish to always start Microsoft Edge in the in-private mode, then please watch this video. So we can open the Microsoft Edge browser in the in-private mode, but there is no option to do that each and every time. I mean, such that it only opens in the in-private mode, but there is a registry level hack. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to the key H key local machine, software, policies and Microsoft. Right click on Microsoft, click on new key, name it Edge. Hit enter. In the right pane, we will create a new Diva 32-bit entry named in private mode availability. Right click new Diva 32-bit value in private mode availability and change it to 2 and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.